Y'all, I'm doing so many things at once. I have my coffee station right over there. Then I have my breakfast over here. I have my avocado sandwich. Then I have my bacon going. Hey, y'all, it is so much. No, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, green smoothie. When I juice the pineapples and I incorporate it with a juice, it makes it sweet. But when I do it like this, for some reason, it don't give off the same sweet payoff. Last time I did pineapple, the last time I did coconut water, the first time I did almond milk, I did not like the two. Mix up, I did strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, greens, orange juice, strawberry, blueberries, pineapples, orange juice, greens. Okay, so I have these pineapples and I have not touched the spray mix since the last time you saw me use it in my other video. And I have my blender out. I'm gonna go ahead and blend these two specifically. Should I make a whole smoothie? I don't want my pineapples to go bad. So let me go ahead and get that incorporated. I think I'm gonna do 2 smoothies, split this pineapple up and put it in so that I could get this pineapple out. I do have frozen pineapples, and y'all, it's good to have fresh fruits, but the frozen kinds work absolutely good. I get the organic frozen fruits and it lasts longer. I'm not gonna go this route again. I do have some frozen pineapples that I got from Costco, so I'm going to use that when I want to incorporate it. So let me go ahead and make a smoothie. I think I'm gonna do 2 smoothies. If it makes more, good for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I took these fruits out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do strawberries, blueberries, mango, but I think I'm gonna do a pineapple, strawberry, green smoothie. No, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, green smoothie, and then a pineapple, mango, blueberry, green smoothie. I don't want them to be identical, but that's what I think I'm gonna go ahead and do. With some honey, because the pineapples have not been hitting. When I juice the pineapples and I incorporate it with a juice, it makes it sweet. But when I do it like this, for some reason, it don't give off the same sweet payoff as it would if I'm juicing it. I don't know why that is, but listen, it's science. I don't make it up. So let's go ahead and get to blending. Okay, so I have the fruits in. So you got the strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, and then the greens. I did forgot to mention the liquid of choice. The last time I did the last time I did coconut water, the first time I did almond milk, I did not like the two. So let's see if the orange juice is gonna make it more sweet before I add the honey. I think I put in a lot of fruits, because that little packet the pre-portion packet that I got from Costco do not contain this much fruits, and sometimes that could be the reason why it doesn't blend, but we're gonna see. So the smoothie is finito. It's blend really well. I love the color. Y'all, I'm doing so many things at once. I have my coffee station right over there. I have to go ahead and fix my coffee, take my orange juice and mix it with my greens and my creatine. Then I have my breakfast over here. I have my avocado sandwich. Then I have my bacon going. Hey, y'all, it is so much. It is so much. It is so much. It is so much. But I'm gonna get ready to make. Oh, let me test this there while I'm. My straw is not working. It don't taste bad. It just don't taste sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of honey in him before I throw it out, and that will be the end of it. So you see the mix up. I did strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, greens, orange juice, strawberry, blueberries, pineapples, orange juice, greens. And now I'm gonna add honey, and that's gonna wrap it up, and then I'm gonna do my next smoothie. That other smoothie is gonna be for tomorrow, so I won't have to do anything tomorrow. And I'm gonna start in my mason jar to keep it fresh. So let's get it crunked, let's get it started. Okay, so I was able to get this much from my first smoothie blend. So this one, what I'm gonna do is whatever leftover I have, I pour it in this one for that mixture. Now the second mixture with the mango, blueberry, and I didn't wash it out, because why? I didn't wash it out. So you have the mango, the blueberries, the pineapples, and then the greens underneath. And for this one, I'm going to put the mango nectar instead of the orange juice. I bought it specifically so I could do this. So double the mango, double the mango. But I was saying whatever leftovers I have for this, I'm going to put it in that. And that one's going to be a big mashup, okay? So let me go ahead and pour the mango juice. Hopefully it tastes better with the mango juice. Like, I don't need to add no honey. But if I need to add honey, I can do honey. Because it's all about the money. Yo, let's get it in the honey. Okay, enough. Gotta go ahead and finish my eggs. And this is going to be the smoothie while I go ahead and prepare my breakfast. I already have my bacon done, my avocado toast. Now I gotta do my eggs. I feel like I'm flustered because it's 8:30 in the morning. It's Friday. And I do have a half day today for work. So I'm trying to get everything done because I do have a shift. Y'all, stories of my life. But let's go. Let's get it. Y'all, so this is how my mango blend is looking. Let me tell you something. Them blueberry, they might be small in number, but they pack a punch. Look how we turn my whole thing. All the mangoes and pineapple colored items. And this is how the blueberry turn it up. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to pour this out into my mason jar. This is phenomenal. I didn't have to add any honey to it. So I'm going to do this blend. This is a plus to me. I do also like the first blend. These two blends, today was a successful smoothie day because usually I hate one or the other. But today I love them both. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. My onions are turning brown. Let me get to it. But yeah, these two recipes, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and try it because it's delicioso. So this is the mix up. So that's the strawberry, the one with the strawberry. This is the one with the mango. I think I'm going with the mango today. But you see how both of them combined together gave me almost a full mason jar. So I love it. I love it. But I'm going to take the mango, have the strawberry tomorrow. I'm here for it. Try it out.